So I'm about to drive off, cuz I'm in the car. The pastor's here. The pastor. He's bringing communion. But my mommy's taking a bath and she's naked. With my daddy in the hospital shower. So you hold there and you record me driving it. Right? We're gonna go. You should just do this on my camera. No, because I can't get your camera to I know how to do this. Y'all see that? Starting that quarter. First time driving without a parent in an open space when it's not dark and there's nobody on the road. Traffic jams and everything. Let's see how she does. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. Dang! She brought mommy's ID. I said, forgot. I got my ID. $74.99. Okay. You think God would be mad if we turn from a Christian station? No. Daddy do it. Just because Daddy do it. Oh, this is 08. No. My thing is dead. Oh, no, it's not. It's just... Limit off a car. Speed limit. Let's speed up just a little. Too behind us looking. Nah. You have to park it in the car? Garage? Oh my gosh, she's doing so good, y'all. So good. Just gotta pull up too. Look at that, honey. How about down the window? Car, yeah. Up in our garage. She's doing great.
Life Skills is a place where you can earn a high school diploma of yoga.
Come on, huh? Pee, motherfucker, pee. Go. Why you keep trying to rush me like that? I'm not trying to rush you. You just sitting there trying to play on the internet. Hit, hold on, yeah. Okay, I got this. Restart later.
And in Elyria on West River Road in Midway Mall.
If you're between the ages of 16 and 21...
There's our car. That's our car. Our real car. We'll be parking a big truck. Yeah, baby, that's the truck I'll be driving, my nigga.
543-375.
And we're gonna sit her ticket right up here in her window seat. You're doing great. I feel so comfortable with you. Find somewhere to park. Could have parked on like the first floor. Dang, I don't want to go. Now we gotta walk back. Let's park somewhere near the elevator. Whoa, girl, you were so close to that wall. Oh, wasn't dude. Yeah, look at the little space, man. You were freaking out for me.
30 minutes to legally reduce your credit card debt and save thousands. Exercise rights and unlimited debt special. Relieve that credit card stress once and for all. All the payouts that are now at 1-800-99-51.
You was back then, but you did good because you did not hit that wall.
Take the call right now. 1-800-99-15.
Damn it, man. Where's some parking spot? Good job. Which is fun. You get to drive back.
The winter blues. So what is her secret to brightening up her winter?
Colorful khakis.
When they go up there, she's naked.
All adult khakis are just $17 at Old Navy.
You look that side, look this up.
You talking about me again, sugar? See? Speechless. I have that effect.
Right now, all Old Navy khakis are just $17 for adults and $12 for kids. This week, only at Old Navy. This one's now only $1 $6. If you think bad credit is keeping you from driving a new car, think again. Call 800-411-4 and let Galley Ford get you in the new Ford.
Ford, even if your credit has taken a hit. Shop from hundreds of new 2010 Fords like Focus, Fusion, Escape, and F-150. Ford is America's car company, and Gamble Ford believes every American should buy.
She's done it. She's